I think the rabbit died, so I'm going to go let Annie get it. I feel bad, but she wants to play with it. It's right out here by that tree somewhere. Can't really tell on the phone. Alright. Go get it, Annie. Yeah, it's not even breathing. I'm pretty sure it's dead. Annie. Annie, wait. Wait, Annie. It opened its eyes. Maybe it's not dead. What was that? Oh, Annie. I can't believe you killed a bunny rabbit. You mean doggy. Annie. You mean doggy? Ugh. Ew. Gross. I think she keeps dragging it off because she thinks I'm going to take it from her again. Oh, she's playing with it. That's nasty. Ew. Annie, it's not even alive anymore. I'm playing with it. You ain't licking me with that tongue. Where are you going? What are you gonna do with it? Get it. Get the bunny. Get the bunny. Get it. Get that bunny. She's weird. I can hear her crunching the bones inside of it.